Walker Ward. Walker Ward lately on Facebook, because I'll explain that later. Got locked out of my account. No, it's weird. It's really weird, but I'll explain it later. I got to be brief. You know, they said be brief. But this is a huge honor. I'm very fortunate to have a guitar in hand and a song in my heart to play for you guys. And that's no doubt. And I'll explain that later. I'm going to explain that later. That's a story we don't have time for.
You have a lot of explaining to do.
No, it's a funny story. Oh yeah, I got to play it. Without further ado, I'm going to do that. The strap never stays on here, but when it falls and hits the ground, it tunes my guitar perfectly. All right, I think that sounds decent. All right. Anyway, it's a huge honor. All the artists and the talent that's come through here, I feel very fortunate to have a guitar in hand and to be able to play a ditty for you guys. I'll explain that later. That's a story in and of itself. That's a damn miracle. It's no joke. It's a big deal. And I got some fake Facebook posts today. He's like, oh my God, I wish I was there. I was like, man, I can't believe I am. So, and I was going back and forth about what song to play. And it's terrible.
Just refilled my Prozac, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You got some more? I get it. All right. Well, thank you. I'm going to play a little ditty, and I hope you really like it, because I'm having the time of my life picking and grinning. Guess you saw this little town. Guess you saw me. Found a new life out there far away as you could be. Nothing to do in this little town except drive and think of you. And with all the pain I feel, there was nothing I could do. When it dawned on me, it was plain to see I'm a little too redneck, and I'm a little too simple-minded. You're a little too uptown bound, shooting for the sky, and I'm a little too down home, and I'm a little too homegrown. And you're all chasing a dream, big city lights. But the biggest problem is you're a little too far gone this time. A little too far gone. A little too far gone. You move across the city limit sign. Too far from me. You have to go on your own. That's the way it has to be. If I can move, be near you, leave the town behind, there would be a trail of dust, 'cause I'll be on my way tonight. You're you, I'm me, and I hope your dreams are all you want to be. I'm a little too redneck, and I'm a little too simple-minded. You're a little too uptown bound, shooting for the sky, and I'm a little too down home, and I'm a little too homegrown. You're off chasing a dream, big city lights. But the biggest problem is you're a little too far gone this time. A little too far gone. A little too far gone. so much. Huge honor for me tonight. Thank you.
Good luck, buddy.